It's a long and complicated story how Debs and I got to meet each other and come together. Of course, I know her physicians at home extremely well, and so kind of knew about her case. But I was at a patient forum at the CLL Consortium meeting in San Diego, and was giving a talk there, and was sitting in the back row and turned around and started chatting to the lovely lady on my right here, and just got chatting to Deborah, and she was explaining to me her history of her CLL and how she'd come to meet with Tom Kipps in San Diego to be discussing what options were available. And as I got chatting to her, and I could hear obviously she wasn't originally Australian, and talked about how we had trials open here, and we suddenly became aware that because of her residency here and her citizenship, that she would actually be eligible for the treatment here. So we kind of talked about it and explored whether or not this was a trial that we could find for her somewhere much closer to home, but came to the conclusion that this was the right trial in the right set of circumstances for a medical point of view, if entirely the wrong circumstances from a personal point of view. So, of course, it's a very unusual and I think very moving story of Deborah literally moving halfway around the world to find the right treatment for her disease.